Check the first link in the info box down below. Get your very own Swamp Family pop socket today. They are available in the standard pop socket and a mirrored pop socket where you can have 1 and 2 times mirror magnification. Get yours today, limited time only. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today, you guys, well, hey, let's start out with a sippy. You have to tell me what time you're watching this. I'm currently filming it at 7 in the morning, and I plan on also posting this video like right after I film it. So what time is it? I'm drinking coffee. Good morning. Let's have a sippy. Look at my fabulous hair. You guys, it is freshly washed, but it is not styled. It's just languidly attached to my head today. I'm trying to decide. Actually, there is no decision. You guys kept tagging me. This is an unboxing, but we're also just gonna like hang out, chill, and chit chat today. But you guys keep tagging me in this. You guys keep tagging me in this wild, I guess it's like a tutorial, a life hack on TikTok where this person like got a foam ring. Like, I think it's for wreaths or something, like some kind of floral arrangement, you know, like the styrofoam things. I guess you could like maybe make like models of the planets out of them as well, but it's like a ring and they put it in their hair and like wrap their hair around it, and it was like a magical curling, like heatless. You guys, my brain is, those items should be coming from Amazon today, and I'm gonna curl my hair with them. So that's why it looks like this now. Maybe it'll look fabulous later. You never know with me. Or it might just keep looking like this. Ha! I keep wanting to like get glam before I get on camera lately, but I am like working on getting back in like a normal routine. I just want to let you guys know, if you are battling through January, you're not alone. January is just like the month to like, you know, the sun is not shining, the decorations, they're no longer glowing, and I have no sense of night and day. So wish me luck. I might get glam later today, but right now, you guys, we're hanging out because I have not been able to go to sleep yet. And it's like 7:20 something in the morning. I'm keeping odd hours lately. Although I've talked about this like a bunch in my life, and a lot of you guys tell me that that's like how the ancient Romans used to live, is like they used to just like wake up, do stuff, nap for a little bit, wake up, do stuff, nap for a little bit. So maybe I'm just like living as an ancient Roman. I don't know if that's like good or bad. So today, you guys, we're gonna unbox something very exciting that I got from Amazon Japan. They are miniature specimens. Miniature specimens. And I honestly, I don't 100% know what that means, but I think that there are frogs inside of here. So wow, I'm very excited. The only downside is I was hoping that I was gonna be able to have Dogman like put these in eggs for us, and then we were gonna be able to release the Kraken here out of our magical Gashapon machine. I was gonna have Dogman like make eggs, and then we were gonna, you know, dispense them, and it was gonna be a surprise. But sadly, these things are too big to fit in this machine because the only size Gashapon eggs that it will dispense are these little things. They don't fit. So this is gonna maybe be like less climactic than the normal like, you know, egg unboxing, but I didn't know how they were gonna arrive, and so they're just like individually packaged. But I don't know what's going on here. There's like these little plastic bits. They are keychains, which is just extremely exciting. So I guess that this is going to be a scorpion. So yeah, it comes with this little plastic tray. Maybe we're gonna like open them, and can you imagine like little teeny tiny dissection kits? That is disturbing. Pretend I didn't say that. It says danger all over it. Oh, this is number 1. We opened number 1 first. So these almost look like little booklets, And, you know, they did come from Japan. So I think that, you know, it tells you like a little bit of information about what the creatures are. Almost like zoo books. Do you guys remember that? Ooh, doesn't that look cool? So you flip the page. Ow! And there it is. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try and open it because, hey, why not? I think we should just be able to slide this little creature out. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's almost like a teeny tiny little action figure. Can you imagine I just pull this out and it's like an actual scorpion specimen? So yeah, you can actually take each one out and then put it back. So there he is. Oh my God, this is almost like Mini Brands toys, I feel like, because they have the little action figures. Or no, it was, you guys, I don't know anything today. I always do this to myself. Well, you know, it's just January. My brain doesn't work in the month of January. Look, and then there's like its natural habitat. But I do this every January where I'm like in the mood to be filming, but like nothing I say makes sense. Do you guys ever get like that? I imagine this would actually be kind of challenging to keep in good condition as a keychain. Anyway, you guys, I am talking way too much. All right, specimen. Is this number 2? I like literally don't see the number on here. So this next thing, it looks like a snake. Ew, and how weird. This one doesn't come with that little plastic tray. Interesting. So there's our little book. So I guess these are all dangerous specimens because they all have yellow tape that says danger. So there would be some facts. If any banana peppers out there can read Japanese, then you're in luck. And there is our snake. I'm assuming that this is a cobra. Encyclopedia. Maybe these are supposed to be encyclopedias because this says encyclopedia. Very most terrifying creature. Dangerous, poisonous creature edition. Ugh. And then it says its name is Hannah. So, Hannah the snake. Everybody say hello. Oh, we've got a snake. An adorable snake. I actually like snakes. I actually probably like all these creatures. Maybe a scorpion might freak me out just a little bit. I don't know. Snakes? Pretty cool. Next creature. This looks like a bird. A dangerous bird. Oh my gosh. You guys, I think I just figured it out. Okay, so these are stands, I think. I think that's what these are gonna be. The snake has like its own built-in base, so it didn't come with that. This one did. And this one looks like it has a post as well. And it's a bird. A dangerous bird? What kind of bird is this? I've never seen a danger bird. Wait, this one says number 1 too. Maybe they just mean like series number 1. Maybe there's more of these or there will be more of these. Do have the funky little plastic bits. We do have them if I stop dropping them. So yeah, very interesting. Let's see if I just debunked it here. Dangerous bird. Hopefully, once again, I will be able to read something on this box because I am very intrigued by what this is, but I just want to show it to you guys first. And there it is. When I said the snake's name was Hannah, that's like, it's like species name, and I'm sure it's not pronounced Hannah, but this is Pichui dicrus. I don't know what that means. Ew, look at his natural habitat. That looks kind of tropical, I guess. Oh, okay, so I guess you don't have to keep these as a keychain. You can like cut holes in this, I guess, so that you can display it on these bases. We're gonna try and do that really quick. So here is our dangerous poison bird. Or maybe it'll just hunt you, peck your eyes out. I don't know. It looks like it should like just push in there, but that doesn't really fit. And then the other way is too little. Y'all, I'm assuming you should be able to display these somehow. But as usual, I can't figure it out. Here is the little like slip that it would come with if it was in a Gashapon egg. So here is the reason I got this, the frog. And he does have some kind of base frog. I don't know what kind of frog this is. Maybe it's a poisonous dart frog. Isn't that a kind of frog? Well, yeah, obviously. Obviously, that's a kind of frog. You guys, is a poisonous dart frog a kind of frog? Send help. Is the frog taped closed? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna leave this in the box though, because I feel like that's like kind of the coolest way, is to have these little keychains. Here is our frog. And he's so cute. Although I thought poison dart frogs were green and not yellow. And this little guy is yellow. He's so cute. Look at him. So cute. I feel like I've spent longer on the frog than anybody else. Oh my god, do we only have one left? We knew. I feel like these went by so fast. What was there, 6 of them? You guys, I literally am looking at this and I don't even know, what is that? Is it like a stingray? Is it like, this is the first box I've pulled out today and I am just completely stumped. Let's see if opening the box, is that gonna help us? No. What am I looking at? What is that? Oh, it's an octopus. Did you guys know that? Am I just having a moment? I literally would never have guessed octopus. Like, even that picture to me doesn't look like an octopus, and it's like an in-color picture. None of that looks like an octopus to me, you guys. As I've said, I haven't yet gone to sleep, so maybe in my sleep-deprived brain I can't tell what an octopus is. That is so cool. I really like this. All the figures are like super detailed. This is so, you guys, there was like a lid and there's another lid. They really didn't want you to open this one, maybe. He looks so cool. Like, I feel like for miniatures, these are super detailed. I hope you guys are really able to see all the details. Sometimes I feel like the lighting is like a little bit wonky down here. I just got done filming a TikTok and I filmed a TikTok with a lot of my weird little babies. And so I was like filming the TikTok on the floor. And so then I didn't like reset everything up. I just spontaneously decided to film this because the whole time I was filming the TikTok, I kept seeing these keychains and I was like, you know what? Today should be the day I open those because they are so intriguing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of these. I absolutely love them. The only thing is I wish that they did come in the eggs, which it's so weird now that I'm thinking about this because the other set that I ordered that also, unfortunately, don't fit in our Gashapon machine. This is a full set. Well, I guess because they have the top. The top is clear on these, so they could still sell a full set, but in the eggs. Because that's the only thing that I wish they had come in the eggs, so we could have had the eggy weg experience. But other than that, I feel like these are some of the coolest. I feel like every video I say that, but I'm always just like surprised with how much more detailed these miniatures seem to get year by year. Like when we first started opening the remint miniature sets, I was like, oh my god, these are the most detailed things I've ever seen for like miniatures, you know? But then I feel like when we opened the mini toy box surprises, and I feel like every season mini brands just get more and more realistic, which by the way, so many of you guys are tagging me in the mini brands fashion, and I'm trying to find those. So far they only seem to be sold at Target, and Target is always sold out, so hopefully I can find some. That's enough madness for me today. And ooh, you know, the other thing I want to start on today is the Wreck-It Journal. I was so excited that so many of you guys were so excited for this, and I am excited. I just said excited 5 times in a row. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. I'm gonna be back again very, very soon, but until I am, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much. And I'll be back. Bye!